Very warm welcome again. Very good morning to everyone. Hope you all well with a good health. And if you are thinking to go with the colorful vegetables, then you are at the right place. You are watching online Shama cooking session, and we are preparing today rainbow sandwich. For rainbow sandwich, I have used here Kingsmill 50-50 no crust slices. So it is 50-50. I always avoid to take a white bread. It's not good for your health, but once a while it's okay. For decoration garnishing, I'm using glazed cherry, then carrot 2 tablespoons shredded here, cabbage 2 tablespoons with the cheese, 2 tablespoons red cabbage, tomato I have chopped here 1 small, and I have used ketchup with it, and 1 big potato I have mashed and added turmeric and green chili paste in this. So we want to make our sandwich colorful like a rainbow. Today I have decided to prepare rainbow sandwich to give thanks to NHS and all key workers, those who have done very hard work during this pandemic period, and really appreciate their work. And for them especially today I'm preparing our rainbow sandwich, and it's a very healthy. So let's start with this. First I'm making a mashed potato. So in this potato, as I have mentioned, I have used green chili paste, little 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, so that will give us yellow color, and seasoning salt. I have prepared here with turmeric, potato, green chili paste and seasoning with dry garlic, salt and red pepper. And same seasoning I am using here for cabbage and cheese. Very little because we are using ketchup as well. If you want to add garlic powder, this is optional. If you don't like garlic powder, then omit this procedure. I am adding very little, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder in each proportion. With this, 1 teaspoon of our peri-peri marination, medium. It's not spicy, and this is orange, so I am adding this in our carrot. So this will help to keep our carrot little tangy and tasty, and it helps to make a little wet mixture, so we want to spread easily. For our cabbage, I'm using honey and chili sauce, same 1 teaspoon, and mixing them well. So this will help us to spread easily, and it will keep our sandwich moist, so while eating you don't feel dry. So our orange and purple mixture is ready. I have added already 1 tablespoon of ketchup, tomato ketchup, with the tomatoes, chopped fresh tomato, 1 small tomato I have used here. So our tomato mixture is ready. And for cabbage, I have added here 1 tablespoon of cheese, shredded smooth and creamy cheddar cheese I have used here. So the mixture is ready. I am using here 6 bread slices and spreading our cheese spread, cheese with the herb. It's ready-made, so applying all over the bread. For our first base, I am using honey chili sauce for the base, and then covering the slice, and again I am spreading cheese spread. First I am applying cheese spread, soft cheese. As you have seen here, I have applied potato. Cover all the slices properly, so when we are cutting our sandwich, we are getting all color equally. Make sure that you are covering edges as well. Now, one more slice with the cheese spread or soft cheese. Now it's time to cover with the red color. So this is a mixture of our tomato and ketchup. Again, covering with one more slice. And applying orange color. Now, one more slice. Cabbage and cheese stuff. Now, again, one more bread. And our purple stuffing with red cabbage. And one more slice with the cheese spread. I'm covering. So we are ready with our sandwich. Our colorful sandwich is ready. Now it's time to cut. You will think that how we will eat all together, but no, do not worry, because we are going to cut our sandwich. First we are securing it. I'm securing our sandwich with our sausage stick or the barbecue stick. And to garnish it, or to stop the layers from coming out, making red cherry here, and it is helping to decorate as well. And one more is left, so you will think that why I have kept this blank. But we are thanking today to NHS, and so that's why I'm using our NHS board. Thank you NHS for helping us, and thank you NHS for your hard work. Thank you NHS for your hard work, and you all are stars. So this is our thanking to NHS, and now it's time to cut our sandwich. So here we go. Our rainbow sandwich is ready, and I have served with our colorful fries. Hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Now we are moving to our second recipe, and this is sparkling plum, and this is very tasty with our rainbow sandwich. I have used here 4 plums whole and cooked with a half cup of the sugar, added a half cup of the water, and cooked for 4 minutes. And then I have cooled it down, and I'm going to grind and make a fine paste with this. Here our plum pulp is ready, and I'm going to save it. Our plum pulp is ready here. I am adding half a teaspoon, less than half a teaspoon of black salt, and mix them well. Each glass I am pouring 4 to 5 tablespoons of our pulp. Freshly chopped mint will help to refresh you and refresh your mood. And I have lemonade, plain lemonade. One cup of lemonade with each mixture. So here our sparkling plum is ready to serve. Hope you all have enjoyed thoroughly. See you all next week. Till then, goodbye.